The National Weather Service in Tulsa has issued a tornado emergency for Muskogee, Oklahoma. This is a particularly dangerous situation. At 6:40 p.m. CDT, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near West Muskogee, moving southwest at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles will occur, and complete destruction is likely. A violent tornado is on track to hitting downtown Muskogee and will kill you if you are not in a shelter. If you are outside, seek the nearest secure shelter. Do not try to outrun the tornado. Vehicle and weakly constructed buildings will not survive. To repeat, if you are caught without shelter, you will die. A large tornado is on track to hit Muskogee. It is likely that most of downtown Muskogee will be fully destroyed. Trained weather spotters reported that this tornado has destroyed well-built brick homes and concrete structures. To protect your life, do not attempt to seek shelter in a basement or in a protected building. Seek shelter in a storm shelter. If you cannot locate a shelter, seek the lowest area of your home and pray. Failure to do so will most likely result in death. Locations impacted include West Muskogee, Oklahoma, Muskogee, Oklahoma, and Webbers Falls. This is a tornado emergency for Muskogee. Take cover now. Move to a tornado shelter or the lowest floor of a sturdy structure. Avoid windows. Above-ground shelters may be damaged. Do not wait to take shelter, as this violent tornado has already entered West Muskogee. Your life is at risk. Take shelter now. This tornado will enter downtown Muskogee in the next 2 minutes. To repeat, take shelter now.